Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve desktop on CapCut app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of CapCut. Here in this page of app info, you will enter the first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or delete your information about this app. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for